Okay, so first thing, we are in the v.io dashboard. I'm going to first start by create new project. And then as you can see here, we're going to have some different options. So we can start by recording or start with AI. I'm going to start by recording camera, and this might get a little complicated because I'm using Vita in another tab. But what's really cool is I have just my iPhone on a little tripod here. This video you see on the screen is the built-in webcam that I'm recording the video on. You'll probably see in the bottom corner. And then cam, we're going to go iPhone 11 camera. So this now we have a higher quality, which is the purpose for the camera. And this should automatically connect. If you have a newer Mac and a newer iPhone, the option should automatically be there with continuity features. The microphone, we're going to use the same microphone. This is actually neat how you can record two at the same time. So let's say we want to make a short. Okay, we're going to go, let's see, YouTube short or TikTok. It's all going to be the same 9:16. And I like to give a little bit of room here. So go back a bit. And then now, because we are currently recording, this is not the place to record. But with the right lighting, the iPhone like this, you can sit here. And what's really cool is you can go prompter. And I believe there's even AI generator. Yep, generate. So if you wanted to make a YouTube short casual, so let's say write me a script for a YouTube short. How to make money on YouTube. Now, of course, you can write your own and enter it in here, but this is just really cool. So now I'm going to move this to the side, and you can have it semi-transparent here once we're done. Hey guys, what's up? So I'll just go with it. I'm not going to edit it. Should be a way to make this semi-transparent. This teleprompter usually, bring the prompter back. Yeah, like this. So you can have it right in front of you or kind of at the top where the camera would be. And now let's assume we clicked record. Now we have a video. And you can just go like this. Hey guys, what's up? I'm so excited to be here today to chat with you about something that has absolutely changed my life, making money on YouTube. If you're watching this, and as you can see, it's a little fast, you can slow it down. So this is just some of the features. Now let's say you're done recording the video. Let's jump into the editing of the video. All right, so then once you click finish recording, it's going to bring you to this screen right here. And like I said, you selected that format. However, it will still record the whole thing. So if you want full size, it's going to expand it. But for this purpose, we're going to do a YouTube short. And what you can even do, I mean, this is just a phenomenal tool, guys. So we have the video here, Magic Tools. Let's listen to it. Hey guys, what's up? I'm so excited to be here today to okay, so there's a bit of an echo. We can go Magic Tools. And even though I was kind of maybe looking slightly to the side, you can do eye correction, clean the audio, auto subtitles, which of course is a good one. We're going to green screen and also automatically remove the background if you wanted other stuff on there. All those AI features, which in my experience have worked pretty good so far. So let's say we want to add captions. Well, first, of course, I don't want to waste your time, but we would watch through the video. Hey guys, what's up? Cut out any pauses. Like you see, there's a pause here. So let's just test out that magic tool. Cut out dead air and awkward pauses. And as you can see, basically instantly, it took out the dead air. So there was a cut here. Let's see how well it worked. YouTube. If you're watching, worked pretty good. A couple over here. Let's try it. Why YouTube? First off, worked pretty good over here. Meets opportunity. Okay, so that worked good. And then what we want to do is clean the audio a bit. I guess you have to upgrade for that, so we're not going to test it now. I'm definitely going to be upgrading though. And subtitles. So just like you see on so many shorts, you want the subtitles at the bottom. Just click auto subtitles. It's going to generate. Takes a second here. Okay, so I will probably cut that part out, but it took about maybe 15 seconds to do that. Hit play and you'll see the subtitles. Hey guys, what's up? I'm so excited to be. And you can click it. Or like, okay, we want that a little bit bigger. We don't want to fill it all out. Move it up a bit. And then style, so you can customize the style here. Quite a bit of auto highlight. I think that would be for the word that's currently being spoken. Here today to chat with you about something that has absolutely changed my life. You can do 2 rows. So if you wanted to make it 2 rows, effects, text shadow outline, I mean, this is complete customization. Lines, so you want 2 lines. Okay, there you go. Now making money on you. Carl, I believe there's a Harmozy one if you want one that, like Alex Harmozy. This one looks pretty good. YouTube. If you're watching, what you can do is you can also, let's just select this one. Let's go with Casper. I like that one. Nice and simple. You can auto emoji. And now you're going to see it's going to bring up relevant emojis to what you're talking about. Most of the time, you can open emoji editor and edit emojis. You probably have a passion or a hobby that you want to share with the world, or maybe you're just looking to create some income on the side. See, stick around. That's an awkward one. Well, stick around because I'm going to break it down for you. Why YouTube? First off, let's talk about why YouTube is such an amazing. And what else we can do is if you want to add some. Hey guys, what's up? I'm so excited to be here today to chat with you about something that has absolutely. So there we go. Absolutely changed my life is a good thing. We can go back up to, or down here to elements. And by the way, I'll just show you some of these other things you can add in here too. You can add your progress bar, which is relevant. You can add audio. All of these things are, most of these affect with the video. And then there's GIFs. So this one's really cool. I think we might be able to go to media as well. You can add stock videos. Okay, so yeah, we're going to want to go to elements. Let's say where I say absolutely changed my life. Let's go to GIF. Sometimes this one isn't as fast loading. So let's just type in change my life and see if anything comes up. Or maybe life changing. Let's see. Let's just search life and see what we're working with. Let's go improve because we're going to, of course, talk about improving the life. So anyway, the point is, out of all these, you can find, so emotion. Let's see what we can do here. Absolutely changed my life. Let's say we're talking about money. We got rich. Or let's do, oh, there was one. I like that. So a whole bunch of money here. Right? It's going to inject, and what we can do is make it fit the whole video. Should be an option here. Right here. Fill. We want to fill the whole video. So absolutely changed my life. We're talking about money on YouTube. If you're watching this, you probably have a, and we're like, okay, that's a lot. So just have that quick little GIF in there. And like I said, all this is integrated into the platform. I have not found any others that have it integrated like this. Comment below if there is, but this is a great tool. Making money on YouTube. If you're watching, emojis in there, and you can even improve the video. So click on the video itself. Add animations if you have different clips, if you're adding your own B-roll, or if you even want to animate this, there's that option. Let's click back to the video, adjust, so we can improve the brightness of the video a bit, the contrast a bit to make it more what we want. Maybe even, oh, that's too sharpened it. So we added the brightness. This, you probably have. And I would select these before the whole thing, because then when you go to the next one, it's not going to have those edits. You can see this one has a lot more of a punch, and then it doesn't. And then also down here, so for YouTube short, maximum 1 minute. So you can select maximum 1 minute and it will automatically cut off at 1 minute, and it will actually show you in the thing here. It'll be white, and when it cuts off, it's gray. So that way you know how much to cut off. So that way it can actually fit the short. And what I've done before is speed and just went from 1 to a 1.1 or 1.2x just to get what I want to fit in there. So, this has a ton of great features for creating a short. If you wanted to put a screen share in here, of course, you can go over here to other media that you can add. Text to speech, you can voice clone if you wanted to correct one section. Your mouth, I don't think, moves the same, but you can put B-roll over that and it will sound like you talking. Or you can even use AI avatars in your video. Text to speech, so you can text to speech, use a clone of your own voice just by text to fill in the video, which is just absolutely phenomenal. It has built in all sorts of sound effects like pop, right? Tune F, crowd ah. And you can add all these sound effects, which are built into the platform. Even a lot of really good, actually, background music. So I'm absolutely fully on the program of V.io. Just wanted to make a tutorial on some of the most important features that I use. And this is how I make really high quality YouTube shorts with a lot of effort into it, because I can just sit here at the computer, record, edit, boom, record, edit, boom, with a ton of AI features right there available. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.